Hello YouTube, it's January 30th, Monday. I was looking at this image here and people are just can't understand what's going on with the earth. They think there's a pole shift going on. The earth has expanded, there's shrunk. It's unbelievable what's going on here. It should be self-explanatory right here. The NPP orbits the earth at 512 miles above the surface. That's about 824 kilometers. So if you take and you consider that the Earth is much larger than that, you're not going to see very much in 512 miles. In fact, if you check it out, the orbits of the satellites that take pictures of the whole Earth are much further away from this. And the image is composed of 4 different orbits because you're not going to see very much on one orbit. You're not going to see very much at all. We'll take a look at that. And so people looking at this and they don't understand why they're only seeing North America. Well, you wouldn't even see that much if you used one orbit. So if you go and you look at the orbit here, right here, we're 12,756 kilometers above the Earth, and you can see a little bit more of it there, can't you? In fact, if you got further away, you'd be able to see about all you're going to see. But what happens when you close in on it? Well, if you close in on it to 824 kilometers, that's about what you're going to see right there, which is not even as much as what you're seeing in the image. So if you used one orbit, that's what you would see. It's about 815 kilometers above the Earth right here. And you can't see very much, can you? All you see is Florida. I guess all that's left of the Earth is Florida now. And if you take and you roll it around down here, oh, it's all green down there. All you see is just one big landmass. And if you keep going, oh my God, we've turned into an ice ball. The Earth's frozen over, another ice age, nothing but a snowball. This is from 815 kilometers. Now, if you took and you moved out away from there, look what you'd see. Oh, you see a little bit more, don't you? Yeah. So it's really amazing that people are looking at that one image. It's taken from 4 different orbits, and they're trying to consider that that's what the Earth looks like. That's the whole Earth right there from 824 kilometers. That's what you see. So I don't know why people are going into it. It's really strange. But if you backed out to where the other satellites are, you can see a whole lot more. Let's try it from the NPP here. It's right there. So let's go there, and that's what you see. I have to zoom out a little bit to see anything much at all. And we can take and go back to the Earth. And that's what you see from 824 kilometers right there. You can take and run it ahead from there, and that's all you're going to see. You go from snowball to ocean to landmass. Oh, look at that. That's nothing. Desert now. I don't understand why people can't figure out what's going on when they look at this thing and they consider the size of the Earth and the orbit of the satellite. It's really extremely hard to understand why people are freaking out about this. It's almost like they're trying to intentionally deceive you. You know, it's like, come on, people, you can't be that stupid, can you? It's 824 kilometers above the Earth. You're not going to see very much. What would it look like if and we went to another one? Let's go to the infrared or up here. And if we go there, oh, look at that. Oh, way away from it now. So let's go to the center of it here and see what it looks like. And we'll take and center back on the Earth here. And you are 88,374 kilometers away. But this satellite makes close pass too. So let's take a look at what happens and what you can see as it makes this close pass here. I guess we better not zoom in too much. So if we look at it from here, let's speed it up a little bit more here. As you zoom in, you get closer, you move closer to the Earth, you're not going to see as much. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's real close. So it's depending on how far away from the Earth you are is how much of the Earth you're going to see. And for someone to look at a satellite that it says, they're looking right at the page, it says 512 miles above the Earth. You know the Earth's much larger than that. And if you don't back off far enough, you're not going to see very much. Same thing standing on the ground. You stand on the ground, you can't see very much. Climb up on a high mountain, hey, you can see a lot. It's the same thing with the satellites. So I really don't understand what's going on with this. It's like insanity has taken over the world, and it apparently it's catching. People are catching on. It's a lot of people are going insane apparently. As anyone that thinks there's something wrong with an image that shows you a view from only 824 kilometers above the Earth, and thinks that there's something seriously wrong with the Earth from an image that's only taken from 824 kilometers above the Earth, there's something wrong with them. That's all I can say. It's really strange. It's like people are they're either insane or they're intentionally trying to deceive you. But when you come in close, you can't see very much at all. In fact, all you see is water or land, whatever. So, I guess we'll leave it at that. But this is, I never thought in my life I'd have to make a video about this. It's, it's insanity, that's all I can say. It's not 33 degrees either, it's 100%. So, I'll talk to you later.